how to delete an admin from Wix website. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can delete an admin from your Wix website. So the first thing for that, which you need to do is you need to log into Wix.com. And once when you log in, you can just click here on the name of your website and click on go to all sites. And once when you're here, you can see there are three dots here, right, on your website or the name of your website. You can just click it, site actions, and then you need to click on add collaborators. So it's going to open up a new page. So you just have to wait for the page to load up. And here you can see that you can invite people for different roles like content writer, back office manager, website designer, website manager, admin, or co-owner. From here, what you first have to write their email and then send them, choose what they want to do and send them an email right here, or you can also create a custom role. So here you need to click on roles and permission. And here you can see that I have added another admin, which is right here. Now, if I need to remove the admin here, what do I need to do? I need to click on these three dots and then I need to click on remove collaborator. And then I'm going to click on remove collaborator again. And here you go. You can see that I have successfully removed an admin of this website. So it's as simple as it is. You can just do it this way. No rocket science involved. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, then I would request you to please like this video and also subscribe to channel to see more helpful content like this in the future. I'm going to see you more probably with some next videos.